Is it raining?
Yay!
Huh? What's it doing? Rain?
It likes water. Jack, is it raining?
He does. Hey, there are two presents inside for you too.
Open up, thank you.
One might be from
One is a blanket.
Is it raining, Jack? Jack.
Jack! Rain!
Rain, rain, rain?
You will not come in now.
You have a duck? What's a duck say? Quack, 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 quack.
Good boy. Is it raining?
Rain, rain. Yay, rain.
Jack, do you want to come inside?
We go inside? Want to go inside? Huh? Want to go inside? What's happening in there? What's going on in there? Rain?
Eating your seal.
Does it taste good?
Seal. No.
No.
That's right, we don't eat the seal.
Splash, splash? Are you going splash, splash? Did you find a leaf? Leaf? Is it stuck? Is that a leaf?
Jack, there's grass on your foot.
Look, what's on your foot? What's on your foot? I don't know. I don't know, but it's yaining. Rain, rain, rain! Yay, rain! Just spellbound. Is it wet? Is it wet on the car? Hey, come here. Where's your duck? Jack, where's your duck? Uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh. Where's your duck? Show me your duck. Where's your duck? Can you get your ducky? Get your duck. 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 That's right. What's a duck say? Quack, quack, quack.
No, not
Quack,
woof,
quack,
woof.
quack, quack.
The dog says woof woof. Duck says quack quack.
Quack, quack. Good boy. Quack, quack. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Hey, Jack, do a somersault. Jack, can you do a somersault? Can you do a somersault? No. Show me a somersault. You have a frog?